Hi everyone, welcome to Diary Times. I am Surbhi Mahajan and you are watching English section of Diary Times. Let's start with today's headlines. Complete ban on these activities to prevent corona by 8th April. There will be a complete ban on social, political, religious, sports competition in Una district for the prevention of corona. DC Raghav Sharma has issued orders in this regard. There have been 64 corona positive cases in Una district in the past day. Corona infection is continuously increasing in the district. The figure of corona infects on the state has reached 61,967. The active cases are now 2,124. Vicious flew over the machinery of the water power department by holding the pump operator as a hostage. The theft incident was carried out on Friday night at the pump house Chabutra under the water power department Hamirpur division. On-duty pump operator Ajay Kumar's son Ranjit Singh resident has been badly injured. He was tied up and beaten and the contents of the pump house, motor stator, copper wire etc. stolen. Tourism business getting down by 50% as corona grows in Himachal Pradesh, hotel operators worried about this. Tourism business in Himachal Pradesh has been hit again by the increasing cases of corona. Occupancy in government and private hotels in Manali has fallen by 50% within 15 days. Advance bookings in hotels have been cancelled. The tourism business of Manali has reached the lowest level of 6 months after reaching 15 to 20% occupancy. This has increased the concern of thousands of hoteliers. Taxi Union and Volvo Union already suffering losses. Forest Department's field staff will not get leave from 1st April. Himachal Pradesh Forest Department has prohibited field staff holidays from April 1. In view of the increasing incident of the fire in the forest, the department has taken this decision. The holidays are banned from 15 April every year. This time, there will be a stay on holidays from 15 days in advance. Forest guards, block officers, and range officers will be able to take leave only if necessary. This prohibition on the field staff holidays on the forest department will continue till the monsoon arrives. 19,500 meritorious students of school and college will get laptops in July. 19,572 meritorious students studying in schools and colleges in Himachal Pradesh will get laptops in July. On the application of Education Department, the State Electronics Corporation has started the process of purchase of the laptops. Laptops will be delivered in 12 districts in 8 weeks after the supply order is issued. On April 6, the corporation has called a pre-bid meeting in this regard. Rupees 126 crore sanctioned for developing infrastructure. The government has sanctioned rupees 126 crore to the Himachal Pradesh Police for building and strengthening the infrastructure. The government has also released 51 crores to the police for this financial year. This amount can be used for construction and the construction of residential complexes besides outpost police stations. After the release of the amount, the police will have to increase the speed of maintenance and repair work and insist on completing the pending work soon. 31 teachers honored for intensified in studies. Students of Himachal Pradesh government schools have become excellent as peace, reporters and academics and in sports. 31 teachers of the state have made teaching and writing easy with zero investment innovation. Methods of making things from junk have also been taught to students. For this new thinking, Education Minister Govind Thakur gave awards to these teachers. 9 students failed in 4 subjects in the MA English result. In the second semester result of MA English declared by Himachal Pradesh University, 9 students of I schedule have failed in all 4 subjects. Other students also failed in 3 subjects and some in 2 subjects. Students of MA English I schedule have questioned the evaluation of answer books because they themselves are surprised at such a bad result. Today it will be decided how many candidates will contest the elections for the post of urban body and panchayat head. In Himachal Pradesh, how many candidates will be listed in for the election of ward members of the urban bodies and panchayat head. This picture will be clear after the nomination of the candidates on Saturday. 1,073 nominations have been filled to contest the election for the post of head of four municipal corporations, ward members of six Nagar Panchayats and three blocks. The State Election Commission will allot election signs to candidates on the same day after withdrawal of nominations. Stoves did not burn for 2 days in Martyr House. The mortal remains of Ashok Sharma, who was martyred in a terrorist attack in Srinagar, reached Dera village in Kahanfat, a panchayat of Sula assembly on Friday last night. The funeral of the martyr will be performed on Saturday. The army car arrived from Chandigarh carrying his body. On the other hand, Sushma, wife of martyr living in Pinjore, reached home with children on Friday. One more corona infected died in Himachal, 373 new positive cases including 17 students. Another corona positive patient has died in Himachal Pradesh on Friday. At the same time, the report of the corona test of 373 people, including about 17 students in the state, has come out positive. 84 new cases have been reported in Solan district, 59 in Kangra, Hamirpur 62, Sirmaur 39, Una 64 and Shimla 25, Mandi 11, Bilaspur 20, Kullu 5. Pilgrims returned from Vrindavan in Hamirpur have been found positive. Pea prices fell due to farmer movement. Pea prices fell due to farmer movement. The impact of the ongoing peasant movement in the outer state has started showing on the peas of Solan, Sirmaur and Shimla. On Friday, the prices of the peas in the vegetable market, Solan, fell by 5 to 8 rupees. For the last 2 days, farmers were getting good prices of peas. Due to the movement, prices have come down. Problems in transporting the peas to Delhi. On Friday, the peas in the vegetable market sold 25 to 37 rupees per kg. 2 days ago, the pea was selling from 35 to 45 rupees. 22 migratory birds died in Pongdam. There is a possibility of outbreak of bird flu in the Pongdam area of Himachal Pradesh. Once again, the migratory birds are found dead. 14 migratory birds have been found dead on Thursday and 14 on Friday in Nagarota, Surya. The wildlife wing of the forest department has sent sample of dead birds to Jalandhar lab. Only after the report will be clear that the death of migratory birds is due to bird flu or there are other reasons behind it. This has been confirmed by DFO Wildlife Rahul Rahane. Young IPS officers of Himachal, Shalini Agnihotri and Mohit Chawla included in top 50 SP. In the FAME India Magazine Asia Post survey, SP Mandi Shalini Agnihotri and SP Shimla Mohit Chawla have made it to the top 50 police captains. In the survey for the popular and best police captains, 12 young people were tested on 12 parameters, including crime control, law and order improvement, people friendly, excellent thinking, responsible working style, quick ability to take important decisions, reflexes, behavior skills, etc. have landed them this award. SDM inspects Jasur market. Keeping in mind the increasing cases of corona infection in the state, the Nurpur administration has fully mobilized in the area of comply with the orders issued by the state government. On Saturday, Sub-Divisional Officer Nurpur Dr. Surendra Thakur conducted a surprise inspection of Jasur market in the business town along with police officials. Former Minister Sudhir Sharma said BJP people are threatening Congress candidates in municipal election. Former Minister and Congress National Secretary Sudhir Sharma said that the Bharatiya Janata Party is getting drunk on power and it putting pressure on the Congress candidates in the municipal elections. In Dharamshala, 2 Congress party candidates are being threatened that their nomination will be cancelled, while according to the Election Commission, the period of objections to the candidates who are standing has expired. Himachal Panchayat built 76 rainwater harvesting tanks under Manrega. The Department of Education has given a gift of promotion to 141 teachers. On these, 44 lecturers and 97 head teachers have been promoted as principal. However, their pay scale has not been increased in any way. Principal is assigned on the basis of placement. The promotion file was sent to the state secretary on Friday by the Education Directorate, and orders for promotion have been issued late in the evening. Uttarakhand Tourism Minister Satpal Maharaj arrived to meet Shanta Kumar. Uttarakhand Tourism Minister and religious leader Satpal Maharaj reached Palampur to meet former Himachal Chief Minister and former MP Shanta Kumar. He expressed condolences to Shanta Kumar on the demise of his wife Santosh Shailaja. Shanta Kumar suggested to him that Himachal and Uttarakhand together could formulate new tourism plans. The fastest growing industry in the world is the tourism industry. That's all in today's news. Stay tuned for more updates and keep watching Diary Times.